Hi, good morning. I'm just going to do a drawing from do a painting from a picture of a ballerina this morning that I've drawn a few years ago. It's actually a photocopy of a ballet dancer. That I quite like the pose. I don't know if you can really see it there. It's not great paper, but I thought I'd like to do that in colour. So that's my plan this morning now. I'm just using some watercolour paint. So instead of line as a way of describing the form, I'm using areas of colour and finding the position of the figure that way. I'll put something over here. So I'm going to mix some Van Dyke brown and ultramarine blue together. This ballet dancer had dark hair. And I quite like how the hair kind of acts as an extension of the back there. That hand comes up from there. And I have got a small brush as well because I think I might need to use line as well as tone in order to really capture, because a lot of what I like about this is the character of the line really. So I don't think I'll get away without putting some in. And I suppose I could print line at the edge of the brush like this. That straight extension of the neck. Maybe put a bit of warmth into it for the shoulder. And the ear. And then the back of the body here. She had a beautiful turquoise dress on, but I don't know where my turquoise. Well, I could use this. Yeah, I could use that colour. Not the same, but it's a nice colour anyway. I just like the way that the waist is kind of pinched in. And then there's the strap here. I just use this finer brush for some of these lines now. And something I've never done very much of is to bring a sketch up into a more substantial piece of work, like a painting or I've never really, very often anyway, not very often, transformed a sketch into a painting. Sometimes it works. I think it depends, like David Hockney says, that in a line drawing the decisions are already made, so it's a simple thing to copy. And I think if it's a very clear drawing, it can often make it easier. If it's clearly explaining the pose, then it makes it easier to translate that, I reckon, into areas of tone and colour. But it needs to be quite clear, in my opinion. So this is it so far. I'm getting a feel for her. What else am I going to do? Maybe a little bit of drawing in the leg there. And I want to bring a brighter colour. A brighter colour in for that skirt. Viridian. Yeah, I'm looking for this. I think this is cobalt turquoise. That's what I'm looking for. That's the colour I remember her skirt being. Just going to need to try and get it out of the tube. I'll flood some in here. Okay, I'm not sure I've got much more to say on that one really. Maybe a little bit more detail around the head. Now that it's dry there, I could maybe put a few more marks just to explain the outline of the head. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm quite happy with that now. I don't know if I don't think I want to do any more to that one. And so, yeah, so your task today is to find a drawing that really appeals to you, that you've done before, or even a drawing by someone else, a famous artist or something, and see if you can translate it into paint or colour somehow. It could be just Crayola crayons you use, you know. But it's quite satisfying to use something that's just made with line, and translate it into something more colourful. Okay, right, this is me signing off, probably day 6 I think. Enjoy yourselves, and if you want to know more about me and the workshops I do and everything, have a look at the links below. Alright, all the best for today. Oh, yeah, Margot's gone. See you later.